In this video, I'm going to show you how to use alpha channels to create a perfect selection from complex artwork in Photoshop, including gradients. Now, if you're in a hurry and you want to get right to the good stuff, I will leave a timestamp in the video description and you can get right to it. But I'm going to spend a few minutes here just giving some background information and context for those who might need it. So why would you want to do this? Well, let's just say you have some complicated artwork. I've just created this kind of gradient thing, it's this abstraction thing, just to use as an example of what might be kind of a complex layer. I want to create a selection from this that preserves the gradient, and anything that's white will be transparent, anything that's color will remain color, and then anything that's in between will be kind of in between. It will both be kind of a mid-tone of that color, and it will also be a mid-transparency. So you probably know that if you hold down Command while clicking the thumbnail on a layer, it will load the selection, provided it's not the background. So I'm just going to turn this layer here that's currently a background layer, I'm going to turn it into just a regular layer. And I'm just going to hold down Command and click this thumbnail. And I hope that created a selection of these gradients, and I'm going to create a solid color, and nope, it did not. It just selected the entire canvas area. So what's going on here? Well, Photoshop sees all of this as just one layer. All of these pixels are filled in, and so it's not going to create a selection from that. That's opposed to, like, let's just say I have something here. I'm just going to doodle with a brush here. Because this artwork has transparency all around it, you can see because there's that checkerboard pattern. When I use the command click here, it will load that into a selection and easily turn that into its own layer or whatever you want to do with that selection. So the reason this layer that we started with isn't loading into a selection is because all of that white is filled in. Now we could use the magic wand tool and sort of just select that white and then hope that that creates the transparency that we need. But no, it's kind of awkward. You have this cut off at a certain point, and you can play around with the tolerance settings and maybe get different values, different results, but it's not going to be perfect. I want to show you how to do a perfect lift of this gradient so that every single gradation is preserved. And that's where alpha channels comes in. So I'm going to just select everything by hitting Command A. I'm going to copy everything by hitting Command Shift C. This copies the entire canvas. And now I'm going to head over to my channels. If you don't see your channels panel, you can go up to Window and you'll find it down on the list there. And then down at the bottom, you have this little plus sign in a box. Click that and it will create a new alpha channel. And then you can just paste your artwork that you copied onto that alpha channel. And what I'm going to do here is just invert that by hitting Command I. This is a very important step, so don't forget to do this. That's because anything black will be masked out and not get the color. Just trust me, this is an important step. So now I'm just going to deselect by hitting Command D. Now, as you can see, what I have in my alpha channel here is kind of gray. And that's because I created this from red artwork, and this is basically red converted to grayscale. But I want the colors all the way on the right side here to be full intensity. And in order to do that, I need this to be fully white, while everything else that's black will be fully black, and everything in between will sort of follow suit. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to hit Command, Shift, and L, and that will automatically adjust the levels by pushing things that are almost white all the way to white and things that are almost black all the way to black. And now, of course, this is where the magic happens. I'm going to hit Command and then click the little thumbnail of the alpha channel there. And you can see that a selection was loaded. And I'm going to go back to the layers panel. And just so we can see how that worked out, I'm going to make it into a color that's obvious so you can just see it here. I will hide the background there, and you will see that it is a perfect reproduction of the gradient that I had on that background layer But now anything that was white is transparent. You can see because there's that checkerboard pattern. And as the gradient goes from this now teal color to white, you can also see that the transparency goes from 100% on the right all the way to 0% on the left as the gradient progresses to white. So as you can see, alpha channels are great for loading a selection from more complex artwork, including gradients, as I've shown here today. Thank you so much for watching. If this video helps you, I'd really love to know how. Please let me know in the comments. And don't forget to like and subscribe and all that lovely stuff. My name is Mr. Tom Froese. I'll see you in the next one.